Hi, I am Asadullah Chaudhary and welcome to our PMP for Strategic Project Manager question and answer series. In this question, I'm going to ask you a very interesting or important or critical, I must say, question. And it's at a time interesting, important and critical because it talks about the status review of your project. It talks about the, communication of your project, and it talks about the criticality or presentation of your project. So if you look into it this way, the question is why leading indicators are not part of your project. Generally, when we present our project status either in a weekly meeting or a bi-weekly meeting or monthly or quarterly, whatever, we go for, percent complete, how much work has been done, where we are, and that's it, either in terms of time or cost. But when we look at the project, it's like we are driving the car by looking back. So when we need to drive a car, it's not only important for us to look back, the more important thing is to look ahead. So when you are doing a project, if you say 50% complete, it does not mean that 50% is left. So you have to, very critically and very intelligently identify your leading indicators which will guide you what is left for the project and how you can achieve the remaining part of your project within the available, time cost. So if you want to design, I would say, leading indicator for your project, then do join us in our PMP for Strategic Project Manager workshop. Thank you.